Today I'm going to show you how to turn a headband like this into a headband like this. It's much more comfortable, it's much more flattering, and in my opinion it's much more cute for a daily outfit rather than like to wear it while you're washing your face. I did keep one of them like this, but the others I did modify just like I'm showing you today. So let's get crafting. Roll the intro. For today's project, you will need a glue gun, a normal headband. I got like a 5-pack from the dollar store. It worked great. And some scissors. And that's everything. It is really straightforward. I think this project took me about 10 minutes. The thing that took me the longest was unpicking the elastic. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get crafting. So depending on if you can see the seam or not, you can unpick the seam that you see, or you can make your own by just cutting it in half. I choose to unpick around the casing of the elastic just so I can get the raw material. Once I have the elastic separated from the fabric, I start to measure how much I need for a headband, and I do about 1/4 of an inch on each side to allow for a decent seam. I apply some hot glue at the end to start attaching it. I apply some hot glue on the other side to create a soft seam. And I cut off the corners to make it easier to fold over. And then I repeat this all the way around the headband. So I just put a nice generous amount of hot glue underneath the headband and I attach the fabric. Pretty straightforward. Be careful not to burn yourself though. I attained many burns from doing this project. I found it easier to put the glue on the headband and then to roll it on the fabric, just to make things cleaner, I think. Then once everything's glued on, you can attach your bow. And if your bow was attached, mine was not at all. I just slid it right off the ends once I cut it in half. So I just slid the bow on the new headband. And voila, you have a finished headband. I hope this was a great project for you guys to try out. I hope it works for you. Super easy in my opinion, and I now wear these headbands way more than I would have if they were just elastic. I did get these off of Amazon in like a 5-pack. If they're still available, I will link them down below for you guys if you guys want to try them out as well and try this project for yourself. But as far as that goes, I think that is everything for today's project. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple, pretty short, which is exactly what I need in my current situation. So I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for joining us here in the Pomchi pack. I apologize about the lighting in today's video, but it was kind of a last minute thing, and as you guys know, or as most of you guys know, I'm dealing with my health, and I really tried to do this video as best as I could considering the circumstances. So I hope it's good enough for you guys. Make it a great week by trying something new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!